Welcome to our step-by-step guide on making your own very powder detergent at home. Today, we will show you how to create a high-quality detergent using a simple recipe that works for all your laundry needs. Let's get started. First, we'll start with soda ash, also known as sodium carbonate. Measure out the correct quantity and pour it into a large mixing bowl. Soda ash is a powerful cleaning agent that helps break down grease, oil, and stains. It also adjusts the pH to make the detergent more effective against dirt. Next, we add sodium sulfate. This is a builder and filler that improves the flowability and texture of the detergent. It also ensures the detergent dissolves well in water, making your laundry process efficient. Blend the soda ash and sodium sulfate thoroughly to create a uniform mixture. If your SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate comes in rice-like granules instead of powdered form, you will need to grind it into a fine powder. This step is crucial because fine particles blends better, ensuring even distribution in the detergent. SLS acts as a foaming agent, giving your detergent that rich lather everyone loves. It also enhances the cleaning power by breaking down oil and dirt. Now let us add our SLELs or sodium lauryl ether sulfate to the mixture. SLELs is the primary surfactant in our detergent. It is excellent at removing dirt and stain, and it is milder than SLS, making it safe for fabrics and skin. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are evenly combined. Add 10 ml of fragrance and mix thoroughly to combine. Once everything is mixed properly, spread the detergent mixture out on a large tray or flat surface and sun-dry it, depending on the quantity. This process can take anywhere from 2 to 5 days. Sun-drying ensures the detergent is moisture-free, which improves its shelf life and effectiveness. Now, let's add a touch of color to beautify our detergent. Take a small portion of the dry detergent and divide it into 3 parts. Add red, green, and blue color to each part separately and mix well. Sun-dry the colored portion until they are completely dried. These color speckles will give your detergent a professional, attractive look. Next, sieve the remaining detergent to remove any clumps or large particles. This step ensures a smooth and uniform texture, which is important for even distribution during use. Finally, add the dry color speckles back into the sieve detergent. Gently mix everything together to create a visually appealing product that is ready to use. And there you have it, your homemade powder detergent. It is effective, economical, and customizable. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per load and enjoy cleaner, fresher clothes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY tips. Let us know in the comments how your detergent turned out or if you have any question. See you in the next video.